Hi, I'm Dave Doleski. Together with Michelangelo Canzanari, we are delighted to be the co-chairs of the 2021 ISPE Biotechnology Conference and Workshop. We'll have great speakers and timely content. Regulators from agencies such as FDA and TGA will discuss regulation of ATMPs and COVID therapies and vaccines. Plenary speakers will share their experiences introducing products used in the fight against this pandemic. There are three main areas of focus. COVID-19 vaccines. There will be one company that developed a vaccine with mRNA technology. Another company used insect cell expression systems. For computer systems, topics will include machine learning, Pharma 4.0, and digitalization. For ATMPs, there'll be a company that talks about CAR T manufacturing and another that used scaffolds in cell therapies. Those are just a few of the cutting-edge topics. There'll be some great discussions with the regulators through panel discussions and questions and answers. We hope that you can join us virtually for the 2021 ISPE Biotechnology Conference and Workshop.